Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This is an exciting one as this is me unboxing the first proof/sample of the book. So yeah, I hope you like this video. The Kickstarter is due to launch in a few days. If you'd like to pre-order this book, the link for that is down in the description. Thank you. So I've got my partner to proofread the book, and he's added in some notes of some things that need changing, such as like grammar or spelling mistakes, or the odd thing where I've used past and present tense. So there's some things to go in, and I've also noticed there's a few artwork that needs tweaking, especially the last 2 pages. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that before I order the last sample. Okay, so the final, I'm hoping for the final samples of my self-published children's book have just arrived, and I'm very nervous. I've got 5 copies this time. They've actually got the ISBN on, the barcode, you know, everything should be finalised on this one, so yeah, let's open it. So from first glance, by opening it, I added the soft touch lamination onto this one compared to the first sample I got. I forgot to add it on, and it feels so nice. So I'm really glad that I added that on. And just seeing an ISBN code on the back of it is just insane. But straight away, everything looks fine. I don't see any issues with it. The print looks great. The feel of it looks great. And everything that had changed on the front and the back, which was very minimal, looks fine as well. Okay, so this was the first sample. As you can see, I've opened it quite a bit, so it just started to like crease a little bit with the like printing. But yeah, so this was the first sample, and then this is the second sample. So the difference is obviously the actual picture on the front. I didn't realise I've changed how much you saw. And then the colours have changed slightly, but that's just because this one's got like a lamination texture on the top of it, so it's soft touch, which actually feels so nice. It's like, I don't know, I can't describe it, but it's great. Which yeah, I definitely prefer the soft touch feel on it. Obviously made the font there bigger and changed the but yeah, I think overall like they look really good. But yeah, I definitely do prefer this version. Oh, it's so exciting. I just realised I completely forgot to video and outro. Yeah, that's what you said. For the last clip that you've just seen. So I'm just gonna quickly hop on and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you're as excited as I am with this book, and when you're seeing this, we should be like 2 or 3 days from launching on the Kickstarter. So that will be linked down in the description of this video, and obviously the past 2 if you've watched them too. So don't forget to check it out when it launches on the 23rd of March at 7 PM UK time. Anyways, thank you very much. Bye.